Hi, David here. I've been using Dreamer for the past few weeks and I wanted to share with you some of the agents that I've built. For context, I'm a student and my priorities are my academics. So, one of the first tools that I created was actually integrating my Canvas LMS into Dreamer. When I went to Sidekick, I basically created it within a few steps and I was able to get this platform or dashboard that has all my assignments, my announcements, and my courses. And I can directly view into some of the courses as well and see some of the things that are due. Now, to push this further, I started to think, can I make Sidekick more proactive by researching some of the assignments or research that I need to do or that are due every week? So I first had to integrate Notion. When I started to use Sidekick or Dreamer, there wasn't any Notion tool. So I got the opportunity to integrate or add a custom tool which I have published over here and has over 200 users as of today. So right now, Sidekick is able to automatically research into the assignments that I have in Canvas and then store them into this Notion document as you can see over here. Now, one of the interesting use cases that really surprised me was that I built this Connect Dreamer agent that basically connects to my Gmail and finds out the things that I need to schedule in my calendar. I received an email from my sidekick that I had actually have a flight conflict. And what really happened was that I had scheduled the return flight for a day before because I was leaving early. If I hadn't got this email, I probably wouldn't have made it to the ending of the event and it saved me hundreds of dollars. Yes, so that's how I've been using Dreamer and I hope you can try it out too. Thank you.